morning. We're at the Lonely Planet restaurant, and for this time of year, a strange occurrence: rain. It's not heavy, but it's refreshing. I'm sure all the plants love it. We were talking about the thing they said was animal instincts, and this was a financial term put out by some brilliant economist. And then Olga, the way she's in the water so much, I say she's a fish. But then when I see her doing yoga, I say she's a bird. And I tell her keep doing the crow pose and the, peacock, and then she's a year of the dog. I said, how is that possible? And she goes, well, it's true, because all those whether they're instincts or traits are there. And on this subject that we've been on about being human, it must be compiling all those things in their good traits, like a dog is devoted, a bird is alert, a fish, I don't know, you can probably tell me, maybe happy.
They're relaxed, they're floating, they have no gravity.
All right.
Being hunted.
God only knows that this was the conversation for this morning.
It's raining, guys.
Yeah.
Back to rain.
Yeah. And the tiger over there is getting a drink. That's the biggest masala dosa I've ever seen. Olga's got idli. And we found out, because I looked at the recipe last night, that it was 4 hours to soak, and then processing, and then 7 to 9 hours fermenting. And but he said, they buy it in a mix, so all that's been done in a factory, and maybe they make it 500 kilos at a time. But this gives us a possibility of buying a packet of the mix and bringing it back. So we will explore that next time in the marketplace. There's an indigo kingfisher on the limb on the tree across the pond, and they are very difficult to film. Olga says they know when you're pointing your camera at them, but he's been going down to the water and coming back, and he's cleaning himself. They have this teal, electric green blue color. It's just fantastic. Let's see if Olga can get a close-up. We're actually on our way to Samudra Park this morning, but because of the rain, we slowed down, had a breakfast first.
I told you it was Monday. Everybody's working. The ocean. I'm here and there a tourist. See if I can pass by here. I think I can. Good morning. Oh, they're slapping hands on the ocean surface to chase the fish into the nets. The water here is extremely clear and beautiful. Truly magnificent. Wow.
This is a whole community of fishermen bringing the nets in, scaring the fish into a small area to capture them. We've all done it. So we just passed the fisherman. Do you have any commentary?
A boy or a young man just passed me and he was compelled to explain to me, fish coming, fish coming. And I said, may they all escape to freedom. That's what I said.
This is Hawa Beach, which is the next beach up from Lighthouse Beach. I just showed the fisherman. Have a lifeguard here. It's a little rough today. And Olga's not going in anyway because of her dental work. The cars are allowed to come this close. One of the things we talked about that we like Lighthouse Beach because the cars can't get down there. So it becomes a little more relaxed. Vendors will be out later in the day. Still morning. It's a resort up on the hill. Olga says we're going up and over to the next beach. I said it was a little rough today. These are walls of water coming in and crashing. But it's a nice day to go for a hike. Not too hot yet. You got a call for me? Caw, caw. Caw, caw. If he didn't move, he'd be almost invisible against that back wall. Amazing. It's like a crow, but it's like a grackle too. Very smart. Olga's been telling me about this little shortcut for a while, but it's actually a lane with some vendors and dogs and kind of goes up and over the mountain. Good morning, friend. Wow. It's a little temple back in here under the tree. I don't know what the local deity is. I'm not saying I'm doing marathon training, but you take these hills and do steps.
I ran this yesterday.
It definitely helps in you staying fit. You can run it today if you like. And I'll see you at the cafe at the top. Good morning. Kovalam Beach Hotel in this lovely lane. I know she came back with something yesterday, and I think this might be the gent that she bought it from. I can't say what it is because it was for her mom. Is this your friend? Hi. Yeah. Is that, yeah. She can make. Yeah. Bye, friend. Ayurvedic treatment, short treatment, Ayurvedic package. I think they're combining maybe like massage with herbs. Yeah, some of the words I don't know what they are. Always cute. Uh-huh. If I'd taken a tuk-tuk, I'd have been here already.
Yeah, that's true. And you skipped Cardiac Hill, the first part.
Oh, yeah, so this is a mini Cardiac Hill.
Now, that's right. And now
And the tea stall at the top? Okay. Okay, we're up the hill, and The part she neglected to tell me is we have to walk the next half mile around the mountain. I thought we came up and we were over the other side.
Exercise, staying fit while traveling, all that stuff that you profess. Now get active. Go. Boom.
What about the chill, slow travel, relax mode?
Slowly, but you gotta do it.
All right.
And you might as well enjoy it because you gotta do it. Might as well have fun. Yay!
At least I have gravity working for me.
It's nice and quiet today. And still we have lifeguards on their posts. And an occasional runner, which always makes me happy.
Came down from Hawa Beach, across the mountain. Olga's brought me to some kind of resort. Samudra Park. I had seen some clips of it, but it's a very nice kind of resort at the edge of the sea, up from Kovalam Beach. About a 30-minute walk.
Well, this is pretty cool too. It's a park. It might even be a religious building. And there's fitness. Woohoo! Stuff to do. Oh my. What do we have here? That is quite an image. And then, least expected, here's a climbing wall. Amazing. Well done, guys.
Seawall with tables up there. Very cool setting. Some shops. And my friend. See you next time.